Tendo, what is your definition of an activist?
An activist is a person who is actually an activist is a person who's I'm looking for the right English word, Chair, who is actually no, it's not a difficult word. It's just there's this word that is disappearing in my mind. But an activist is a person who is actually not lobbying, but standing for a particular rights and then
Championing.
yeah, maybe it's the right word, championing for a particular. It can be an activist to fight for the drugs, or it can be for the politics, for politicians, or for whatever. Maybe
environment
movement you want to support.